Hello there. Today we are going to look at some words used for weather, and this will be helpful for you in writing module for IELTS. So let's start it. The weather of Islamabad is notoriously changeable. Now, changeable means is known to change quickly. During rainy season in my city country, there is unbearable humidity. Humidity is the amount of water vapor in the air. If there is a lot of water vapor in the air, the humidity will be high. When the rain stops and clouds give way to sun, it often gets terribly hot, humid and sticky. High moisture in air sometimes causes suffocation. Suffocation means difficulty in breathing. The torrential rains during these months can lead to flash floods. Torrential rain is any amount of rain that is considered especially heavy. It might turn into urban flooding if there's a prolonged period of heavy rain. So you can say is hot and unbearable humidity today. Is suffocating. The weather is miserably hot today. The cloud is having hide and seek with sun. Today it was cloudy with outbreaks of rain and drizzle. The rain continued into evening. The drizzle has now stopped and the sun is breaking through. The rain was lashing the windows. So these are different words or vocabulary which you can use while explaining the weather condition. Thank you.